What's up guys, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I will be showing you how to get this look right here. This wig is by the company MyFirstWigs. I'm gonna do like a styling and like how I put it on. It's super cute. We're gonna go into the packaging and like how much of you can see how much I do with this hair. And then we're gonna jump right into the video. All right, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, this is the finished look for my first wigs. Tell me what you guys think. I can say this video was a struggle, man, but I got it done. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's really cute, really simple, easy to work with. This is what the back looks like. And again, this is my first wigs, and it came with the box, and inside came with this little bag. It also says my first wigs, and it came with an adjustable strap, a clip, my first wig, bobby pins, a little manual, 2 wig caps, and the little my first wig bag that came in it, and then the order was inside. This is the wig Gemini-002, order number B163. It's a texture silky and a 10-inch hair color, natural hair color, cap size 1. And Cap's construction is a lace front wig, and the lace is light brown. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's really, really cute. Very simple little hairstyle. Maybe I can go in later with a razor comb and add some more layers. But for the most part, this looks good. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.